Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. So today we are going to learn about how to disable end-to-end encryption messages on WhatsApp in your iPhone. It is a very easy process, so let's get started. First of all, find the WhatsApp on your home screen. Now click on it. Now you are in the WhatsApp. You can see there is a settings badge. Now click on it. Here you can see the chats option. Now click on it. Here you can see the chat backup. Now click on it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the end-to-end encrypted backup is on. Now simply select it. Now scroll down a little bit. Here you can see the turn off option. Now click on it. Now you have to enter the password that you created when you turn it on. Now enter the password and tap on to next. Now finally select the turn off button. Now you have successfully turned it off. So that's it. This is how you turn off the end-to-end encryption messages on WhatsApp. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.